What's going on, guys? It's looking pretty lit. So, what's up? Yeah, how are you?
We just measured.
What's up?
That last silver pole.
This?
With this. And then it has another 4 foot of ramp.
What? What?
This?
So the dyno came in.
It's this thing.
So just wait till it's assembled and looks sweet. Yeah,
Have you do this?
yeah, the good stuff, you know.
미소기.
Damn.
Tires in
Look
the
at
shop.
this.
We gotta get the tires in there. We gotta get the tires, man. Let them know that the tires are
Damn, man, it's looking good. Look at that. Whoo. 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 Skinnies. Or fronts, as you want to say. That sticky icky, but damn, man, this office is looking good too. I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so I came over here real quick just so you guys could see. Basically, this room right now is going to be the waiting area, or the lobby, I guess if you want to say that. But I think that door is going to be blocked off, and the other door over here is going to be the main door for the shop. It's going to have 3 lifts, a dyno, an alignment rack, and if I have another finger that's not being used, a detail area. So it's going to be lit. Of course, you come in, waiting area, some chairs, TV, a nice little table, you know. Down there is the women's bathroom, or I'm not sure if that's me, women's or men's, but the bathroom number 1, and then on the other side, there's another bathroom. This is going to be the main office. You can't really see it because of my camera, but this is actually a silver, a grayish silver. We tried getting it as close as possible to Waleed's car, just because we wanted to use the same color as Waleed's Turbo C5 and Shisha's blue V3. So, of course, that's the blue. Which uses V3, you know, like I said. This is the bathroom. I think they just finished painting it or something because the heater's in there, but then there's this other area. Let's see. I'm not exactly sure what this room is gonna be. And here, this is another restroom. You know what a bathroom looks like, and if you don't, then you probably have the outhouse, back house. Something like that. Look at these. Then tide lifts. A little accessory in there, but damn. These lifts are looking good. Lifts are looking good. Nice and sweet. Like, comment, subscribe.
This is piston and rods for the C7 outside. Cam kit. All this is for the C7.
And skinny sauce?
Skinny sauce is the sauce. Got a bunch of cams for a bunch of all the other builds.
Yeah.
Got a lot of work to do. No
Yeah.
shop setup yet to do it.
Soon.
Dude, we're getting there. We made a lot of progress today. All the equipment's here. Everything.
So this is the C7 he was just talking about. This John look pretty clean. John look pretty clean. Let's get his IG real quick. And this is that SRT8 that was dropped off beginning of the week. Yeah, there's definitely some sort of problem with this car. It's either a cam job and it's getting done by Curb Performance, so at the end of the day, it'll be straight. It'll be good.
Clutch is done on this job.
Yeah, you can smell it.
It won't even move. Because if I stop, it won't go up this little ramp.
So big ass out the car.
So we're entering the
the import world. It's like, we also flip cars.
Buy yourself a daily.
Yeah, we'll give you a fast ass car. Also have slow dailies.
Not mine. Not slow. It does not move.
And your gas mileage sucks.
Yeah. That SS came in Saturday. Cam job, full bolt on. This, of course, was 6.4. Motor went out, so Waleed actually did a swap in it. So new motor, new trans, SRT8, big boat, no dusty. Also coming in for a cam job. Which one those are pretty dark. Anyways, daily for sale and a C7 Corvette. I have a huge brake on it right now. This thing's nice, man. So I mean, if you're following the process right now, subscribe so you can see 2020 or current performance. Got the lifts in, Lima rack is coming in, the dyno is here already, merchandise is coming in. We're dealers sellers, I'm sorry, for Hoosier, Mickey Thompson, Texas Speed, Guinea Sauce, Comp Cams, and a couple other. Of course, I'll put our Instagram in the description down below. It's Friday. Video is about to be uploaded in a couple of minutes actually. 5 p.m. Eastern time. And I think they're installing the lifts. See how that goes. Nice little ProCharge 6th gen. We got the C7 in here. And then we got a 5th gen over here.
Go up. There you go.
You thirsty?
A lot of work, man.
How's it going?
It's going.
All lifts are in?
Not all the way in, but we're getting there. Nick's been drilling.
Yeah.
We burned up a bit, so we had to go get a new bit. Nobody's here today.
Yeah, I
Rome's
noticed.
been out tuning all day. John and Ashish are on a move, let's just say with a truck and trailer, and they're in New Jersey. Occupying a deal we found on Facebook last night. Man, Nick had a job today, so I didn't expect to do this today. Then he called me and said, well, it's rained, so they canceled my job.
Yeah.
And then we started doing this, and it's not raining.
Yeah, son.
Hey, new kicks. There you go, man.
Oh yeah.
Check me out, nah. Shout out to my wife, nah.
Bright as hell, not dirty.
Yeah, right? I was like, because he ain't been
I
drilling.
told her, I was like, it's so
he
sad.
ain't been drilling.
When I put him on, I was like, it's sad because his wife's about to be black in a week. Like, I know somebody I'm gonna call to do this. Old Faithful.
Well, he's ready to do a Corsa catback exhaust on a 2019 S550, A10. You get his permission for this car? Yeah. Okay.
You knew music.
One they call a muffler.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
It's a little hot.
Go forward, just go there.
All right.
Push it forward now.
Let's get this side.
As long as the gap's sealed. Just make sure they're straight.
Even with those black tips are the nice from the Challenger. There you go, John boy. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, engine like vibrate off.
Not touching nothing, right? They sound way different.
that will be it for today. S550 leaving, sounding good. Hurry, you already know. But drop a like, comment, subscribe. See you next video.